Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Volvo V70, we're going to be replacing the casing for the key fob. We got this part from 1A Auto. They sell the casing for this particular model. They might sell it for your car too. Don't forget to click on the link below and check it out. Come on over to 1A Auto. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to turn over the original key fob, and that's a Torx bit, and it is a T8. That little hold down screw. We'll back that out. Separate the casing. There's the ring. This is pretty beat up. I just did that to get the battery out. So now I'm going to open up the new casing that we got from 1A Auto. And this is a Phillips on the new one. So that'll help you in the future than searching for a Torx bit. We're just going to split that casing. First thing I'm going to do is transfer over the battery. Pop that battery out. Ours is working, but at this point, if you feel like your battery's never been changed, it's probably worth it to replace it. I'll tell you the battery size. It's a 2032. Typical watch style battery. Make sure you put the positive down. There's a symbol on the battery. There's a positive. Place that down. I'm going to put the key ring in the spot. Make sure that I don't forget that. So now I can place the buttons down in. The round one's going to go yellow round. And then the alarm one. I'm going to take my pocket screwdriver and pry open the circuit board. Take that rubber piece off. Let's line up that, so I'm just going to move that around. There we go. So that's what it's going to look like, the factory one and the one from 1A Auto. Just cleaning the rubber piece. You can clean yours at home. Just get all the grime off of it. I'm going to place that right down in. Make sure it's seated. Looks good. All my buttons are in place. Take my circuit board with the buttons facing down. Place that in right in the spot. Nice. Make sure that ring stays there. Take my backing, place it in. The two little tabs on the end. I'm going to line up with the tabs on this end. You can see the little cutouts. Before I snap that down, I can make sure I put that ring back in there. Beautiful. Got the little Phillips screw. Phillips screwdriver. Snug that right down. Look at that, nice and clean. Ready to rock and roll, as my friend Andy would say.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.